Curcumin elevates fitness at high altitudes, by Thrivis Admin, on Tuesday, August 18, 2026. Curcumin is a natural compound found in turmeric, a spice commonly used in cooking. It is known for its potential health benefits, including antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. A recent randomized controlled trial aimed to explore how curcumin affects the body under specific high-altitude conditions. The trial involved male hand participants, investigating body composition changes and gut microbiota interactions. High-altitude environments can lead to physical stress and changes in body composition, making supplementation that supports adaptation highly relevant. Curcumin has shown abilities that could help reduce fat and support muscle maintenance. By studying curcumin's impact on the gut microbiota, the trial sought to uncover insights into enhanced adaptation to high altitudes. At altitudes, people's bodies often face challenges. This trial offered a promising approach to harnessing curcumin for beneficial effects during such exposure. Interestingly, the connection between gut bacteria and body composition emphasizes the complex role our microbiome plays in health. This study was part of a wider effort to understand these interactions better and to see if curcumin can significantly improve health outcomes. Given the rising interest in natural supplements, the findings could have implications for those looking to maintain their fitness and well-being in challenging conditions. Study design. The clinical study was structured as a randomized controlled trial involving 102 male participants. Participants were separated into two groups. One received curcumin supplements, while the other was given a placebo. The curcumin group consumed 812 milligrams of the supplement daily over 7 weeks, including 1 week before and 6 weeks at high altitudes. Researchers aimed to investigate how curcumin could potentially affect body composition and gut microbiota. The trial was conducted with participants who had lived long-term at low altitudes, ensuring that they would face the natural challenges of high-altitude exposure. Body composition was assessed using bioelectrical impedance analysis, a non-invasive method providing quick and reliable data. Stool samples were collected for gut microbiota analysis through advanced sequencing techniques. This design allowed researchers to monitor both physiological and microbiological changes over time. An essential part of the study was the maintenance of controlled diet and exercise across participants, minimizing external factors that could impact results. The study also meticulously documented baseline characteristics to ensure comparability between the curcumin and placebo groups. The robust design aimed to ensure that any observed effects could be attributed to curcumin supplementation rather than other variables. Study results. The study found that curcumin significantly reduced the percentage of body fat, PBF, in participants following high-altitude exposure. Despite increases in soft lean mass, SLM, skeletal muscle mass, SMM, and fat-free mass, FFM, in both groups, improvements were more notable in the curcumin group. Curcumin-supplemented participants demonstrated less reduction in upper limb muscle mass, enhancing arm muscle circumference. Additionally, curcumin influenced gut microbiota, increasing beneficial bacteria. In the curcumin group, the abundance of bacteria such as Bifidobacterium pseudocatenylatum and Eubacterium sp. showed significant increases. These changes were linked with lower body fat and improved muscle indicators. Conversely, reductions in less beneficial bacteria were observed, suggesting curcumin's role in fostering a healthier gut environment. These microbial changes support potential pathways for improved body composition. The study emphasized the gut-muscle connection, showing how curcumin's microbiota modulation could support muscle gains even under the stress of high-altitude conditions. Results suggest that curcumin assists in maintaining muscle and reducing fat, particularly significant in demanding physical environments. More research could further uncover these relationships, broadening potential applications for human enhancement. Recommendation. For healthy individuals, this study suggests that curcumin supplementation may enhance physical resilience, especially in challenging environments like high altitudes. It could support better maintenance of muscle mass and reduction of body fat under physical stress. This makes curcumin an attractive option for athletes or outdoor enthusiasts exposed to high altitudes or intense exercise regimes. Given curcumin's role in improving gut health, it could be a supplemental strategy for those aiming to optimize their body composition naturally. Its potential to bolster beneficial gut bacteria aligns with the growing emphasis on gut health for overall well-being. Consuming curcumin as part of a balanced diet might extend benefits beyond body composition, aiding in feeling more energetic and resilient. However, users should consult healthcare professionals before starting any new supplement, including curcumin, to ensure it aligns with individual health needs. The promising results of this study point to broader applications for curcumin in supporting healthy lifestyles, particularly for people engaging in rigorous physical activities or facing challenging environmental conditions. Thanks for listening. This is an audio podcast of Thrivus. Thrivus is the human enhancement company. Our mission is to help you access technology with the greatest potential to improve your brain and body and achieve your goals. Visit Thrivus online at thrivus.com.